Hey there, today I'll be walking you through how to create a document on SharePoint. First, open SharePoint in your browser and navigate to your SharePoint site. Once the site homepage loads, you'll see the site name at the top. Next, select the Documents tab in the left side panel. The document library will open, showing any existing files and folders with a command bar at the top. If you want to create your document inside a specific folder, navigate to that folder now by clicking on it. The folder will open, showing its contents. If you're happy creating the document at the root of the library, skip this step. Now, click the New button in the top toolbar. A drop-down menu will appear showing different file type options. Select the type of document you want to create. You can choose Word document, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, or other Office files. Once you click your choice, the new file will open in your browser. You'll now see the office for the web editor, whether that's Word Online, Excel Online, or PowerPoint Online, depending on what you chose. The editor opens in a new browser tab. Add your content to the document. As you work, changes save automatically to the SharePoint library. Once you've added some content, you'll want to rename the document from its default name. Click on the document name at the top of the editor. The title field will become editable. Type in your new name, and the change saves automatically. You'll see the new name appear in the title bar. When you're finished working on the document, select the site name in the top left to return to the document library. Back in the document library, you'll see your new file listed with the name you gave it. The document is now stored in SharePoint and accessible to other site members who have permissions. Because SharePoint handles version control automatically, every change you or your collaborators make gets tracked. If you need to share the document with someone outside your site, you can use the Share button from the document library. Just select your file first, then click Share in the toolbar. The document will also appear in your recent files if you need to find it quickly later. And that's how to create a document on SharePoint. Thanks for watching. That should have you covered.